I'm Julius Nolan.
Right. So you're here volunteering today.
Yes.
Why did you decide to volunteer?
Jamaica is my country that God inherited from my father. My dad was born and raised in Jamaica. He immigrated to the U.S. at 12, and I just wanted to help the community out because after I heard about the hurricane, I connected with my relatives to make sure they were okay, and I'm here to help.
Well, are they okay?
Yes, they are okay.
What parish are they in? Do you know?
I think they're in Spanish Town. St. Catherine.
Okay.
St. Catherine.
How does it make you feel when you volunteer?
It makes me feel proud to serve in something so important that helps the country and everything benefit. It makes me feel good.
And how old are you?
I'm turning 12 on Monday.
Oh, yeah? Happy birthday when it comes.
Thank you.
And thank you very much for coming out and for supporting this effort, okay?
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
We appreciate you, all right?
All right.
All right. Thank you.